In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Mailerlite landing page. To get started, log into your Mailerlite account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. This is the starting point where you can access the different areas of your account, including your campaigns, subscribers, forms, and websites. Since landing pages are managed under your site tools, that's where we'll go next. From the dashboard, click on Sites. This section is where Mailerlite keeps your website-related assets, including landing pages. Once you're inside, select Landing Pages to open the full list of landing pages connected to your account. Now take a moment to find the specific landing page you want to delete. If you have several pages, it's a good idea to double-check the name before removing anything, especially if you're managing multiple campaigns at once. Deleting a landing page is meant to remove it from your account, so you'll want to be sure you've selected the correct one. When you found the landing page, click the three-dot menu next to it. This menu contains additional actions for that page. From the options that appear, choose Delete. After that, a confirmation window will pop up. This extra step is there to help prevent accidental removal, which is especially useful if you're working quickly or managing a lot of content. In the confirmation window, click Delete again to confirm your choice. Once confirmed, the landing page will be removed from your Mailerlite account. That's all it takes. The process is very quick, but it's worth being careful before confirming the deletion. If the landing page is still being used in ads, emails, or other links you've already shared, you may want to update those first so visitors aren't sent to a page that no longer exists. If you're cleaning up older content, this is also a good way to keep your Mailerlite workspace organized and easier to manage. Removing unused landing pages can help reduce confusion and make it simpler to focus on the pages that are still active. And that's how to delete a Mailerlite landing page.